Today I am going to review the work of my student named Betty, and she have submitted like 4 to 5 different designs, and today I am going to show what are her weaknesses and how she can improve her designs. Okay, so let's get started. Here are the 4 designs she have submitted. One, this iPhone app. This is a wireframe, very nice wireframe, and then she have this created this Shopify theme. I really loved this one. It is, I think, one of our best works. There are few things I would like to improve here, but I will tell this in the end. Okay, so the fourth one is this one, and another one, I think this one she tried to change the colors or variate something. So now I'm going to start with this one. Now the first weakness I have seen in her designs is that color scheme. Okay, so the first weakness is your color scheme. Now how you are going to get your color scheme better? Now there is a very simple trick. Okay, I'm going to show you just in 1 minute. Okay, the trick is that you need to find the colors already combined with from different designers online. Okay, so if you have in a mind color, like you want to combine purple and pink color like you have done over here. Okay, so you try to combine purple with pink. Okay, now what we're going to do is we are going to first find these 2 colors, and then the color schemes related to these colors. Okay, so let's go to the browser. Okay, now the first site I'm going to show you is this one, color.adobe.com, and you are going to go to this explore tab, and in this search bar you are going to type purple and pink. Okay, so these are the keywords. Now if you press enter, and you are going to see a lot of already created beautiful color themes based on these colors. They are going to go very well together, so you don't need to find a lot of colors. Okay, so maybe for example you like this one. Okay, so if you like this one, you can edit and go to copy it, or you can just grab this over here, maybe I think save, and you can save it in your palettes or my library, which can easily be imported in your Photoshop's my library. So if you don't have Photoshop CC, then you can copy this color or take screenshot with this one. Like I have this plugin to take screenshot like this one. Okay, so I have taken the screenshot. Now what we're going to do is we're going to import that screenshot in Photoshop, and we're going to press I on the keyboard. It is a shortcut for color dropper, and we're going to select any color over here, and then we are going to press this to create a new swatch. Okay, so we are going to do this for all these colors quickly. Okay, now you can see our color palette is already over here. If you want any colors from others, you can do the same, and you can create a very nice color scheme over here and use that for buttons and everything. Okay, so this is the right way of using color schemes. Now you can see over here we have gray and orange, so it is better that you can search for gray and orange over here. So we are going to search for gray and orange, and you can see we can find a lot of great matching gray and orange color schemes already built by a lot of great designers. You can see over here, this is just gray and orange, gray, blues and orange. You can see over here, if you go down, you can see a lot of different combinations. Okay, so don't try to mix the colors yourself. Even I sometimes can't do it right, or sometimes it takes a lot of time for me to get the colors right. Okay, the second site I'm going to show you is this Color Lovers. Create an account on it, and if you go to this search bar, you can go and search for gray and orange colors like that, and you can see you will find a lot of color schemes using orange and grays. Okay, although it doesn't find the exact match as I found on this Adobe Color CC, I really love this one. This is the best tool for me right now. The third one I'm going to show you is this tool, Color Ion. Okay, colorion.co, and if you click over here, go to this search tab, you will see something like this. Okay, so you are going to select any color, like maybe I want some combinations from blues. So there are 4 different blues: blue violet, medium slate, Okay, so I'm going to find something closer to this. So I'm going to submit it, and it will show me all the color schemes related to that. Like you can see over here, this is really nice purplish blue with pink colors and white and grays. So I can use this one in my Photoshop or any design I'm trying to accomplish. Okay, so it depends like what type of design you are doing. You need do you need a very light color scheme, or you need a very sharp color scheme like this one, or very dull color scheme or decent scheme like this one. Okay, so this is the first step I'm going to give you. There is one more thing I see in your designs is a bit of spacing. You can see over here from this area to this one there is a lot of spacing, and then we have very few spaced area over here. Okay, so try to bring this up, line them up over here. You can see they are not aligned, so you need to drag some guide over here and line your text with that guide. Okay, so line your text with that guide to this line on the left. Also your button, you can see it is also not aligned to this one. Okay, so alignment issues, and this one looks good. There are still alignment issues over here, and then this area. Okay, so this is a very good design, very nice. And the problem here is again alignment. You can see over here this is not aligned well. It is should be in the middle. Okay, also these two are not aligned. Try to get the size right. Okay, so if this one is 64 pixels height, then this should also be 64 pixels in height. Okay, and align them using these alignment tool. Okay, align them to the top with this one. Okay, select both of them and align the tops. So you have alignment issues, some color scheming issues. Okay, so this one is very good. Maybe you need to highlight these prices. I think they are very dull from my perspective. There is one more thing you can do over here now. Okay, now your section, this section has ended. Now when you are starting a new section from here, you need to give some space over here. So give some space and some white space over here, maybe at least I think this much. Okay, so maybe 100 pixels or 70-90 pixels. Give some space and then start the next section. Okay, so it is basically visual hierarchy, and also it separates or group your interface items or web design items into different groups and chunks. Okay, so you can see over here trending products is very at the top, and there is a lot of distance. Move this above and create some space between two different categories like trending products and this one. They should be apart by 100 pixels. Okay, something like that. So if you want to learn more about this layout and grids and spacing issues, you should take my other course, which is typography for UI designers and developers. It has a lot of other design things. Okay, so I think in the end you just change and maybe copy paste it in very urgently. I think you had no time. Okay, so try to complete it over here, put some text over here, sign up for updates or something like that. Maybe give a heading to this portion. Okay, and maybe you can increase the button size and increase the size of these. Align them on the left, don't align them in the middle. Okay, also this text over here, try to create some headings. Try to see some of the inspirations online. Okay, so try to see different footers of different themes websites or something like that, and try to see what they have in their footer and design according to that. Okay, so this is very nice. Wireframe is great. I have seen this one is really good, very good job done. So the only problem I see in this design is that you need to get some good color scheming over here, and everything else, even the spacing I like over here, it is good. One more problem I see in your design is that both these buttons should not be elevated. Okay, maybe you need to create some visual separation between elements. Okay, so this button is some other kind of button. It is not very crucial, or it is not our primary button. Okay, so this one is our primary button. We want the customer to click book now, right now. Okay, so we want him to click this one. Okay, so maybe you should not highlight or elevate this one too much. Maybe get some shadow around it, or make it some other color which is not as bright as this one. Okay, so this is all about the problems of novice designers, and I hope you will learn a lot from these design reviews. If you have any questions, you can email me, or you can ask me inside the course, or you can use my contact form on my website, or you can ask me in my Facebook group. Okay, see you next time in the next review session. Till then, goodbye and take care.